I wasn't even really planning on doing a video today, but I thought I might as well. So we're back at Eklutna Trail, the Twin Peaks Trail. I think today we're just gonna go up to, well, we'll go up to the lookout. It is very windy today, which is why I decided to do a video. I know you guys love the wind noise. So we're just gonna be going up probably to the Outlook, and I'm gonna try to continue on to Pepper Peak, but we'll just see how windy it is. You can probably already hear how windy it is even here in the wooded area. But just by myself today, so I'll be making sure to be making some noise, and yeah, nothing real exciting. There are, I'll probably post, maybe I was put at the beginning of this video, but I did just some time lapses from some hikes earlier this year. I didn't take any full videos, so I guess this will be the first one of the season. But I'm planning to try to do a couple new hikes this year, so there'll be some more guide-like videos coming up. So I don't know if I ever showed last time I was up here, but if you look straight down there, there's a vehicle. It's been there for years and years and years. Maybe right here you can see it a little better. But right down there, if you ever want to, there's a little path down here if you want to check it out. It's about, I guess it's about 25 or so minutes from the front of the trail. So we got our first instance of bear scat here. So gonna need to be a little bit more aware, a little bit more cautious as we keep going. Well, up for our first little stop here. First bench and the first overlook. You can hear it's pretty windy out here, but not too bad. As always, really great view. So, just start heading up a little more. I'm not actually too hungry yet, so I don't think I'm even gonna stop for a break. I think I'll probably go to the next bench and get a break. But yeah, going pretty good. So I'm just gonna keep it moving. Pretty nice view of Twin Peaks over there. We climbed this one, East Twin Peak, last year. Which was a good hike, but that was tough. That was real tough. Had to do all that route finding, but we got it. Oh, here's the next bench. You can see up there, there's quite a bit of snow on the ridge. So, we'll see how that is when we get there. We'll take a break here and get a little snack. Have our yearly viewing of the ptarmigan. I don't know if you can see him, but he's kind of on the trail running. Hopefully it doesn't have a little ptarmigan and try to attack me again. Yeah, see, there he is. I don't know if he's trying to lead us away, or she. But see, it's almost turned all the way from white down to there, kind of spotted. I guess the word is. Man, he's really tearing down this trail. Look at him go. I wonder if he'll realize I'm just gonna walk by him at some point. There he goes. So maybe he'll just go, oh, well, he'll fly. Look, he's still got the white wings. That looks pretty cool. There he goes. Well, I guess we'll see. Going up to there, at least attempt to. I know you guys can hear the wind now. So we'll be on this ridge pretty much the whole way. So it's going to be windy the rest of the way. So we'll just see how far we get. I'll try to go up there. If the wind gets too crazy, I'll probably come back down. But if the sun comes out, wouldn't be too bad. And so we're just taking, say, little Karen, heading up this way. As you can see, it's a little bit windy. I can actually like lean back as tall as East Twin. Looks like East Twin's a little bit taller. So I'm just gonna walk around a little bit. I'll probably do maybe one more video when I get up to that area over there. But almost there. Well, we made it all the way. You can see Twin Peaks over there. Over in the valley. That one is Salt Peak. Sometime we'll do that. I think this one up here, Shaker Peak. But nice view of the lake. So I'm probably just gonna sit down, have a little snack, and then head back down. Get a couple of videos on the way down.